gonna get that leprechaun. Where's he at, yo?
Yo, get that leprechaun!
You can't catch me, yo! This is for you. You can't catch me. I'm too. They won't catch me, yo. You'll never.
Down!
We got you.
Ah, you got me.
Sit down.
Where are the Skittles?
I don't know.
Where are the Skittles?
Screw you.
Where are the Skittles?
I don't know. Alright, they're in my pocket. The map's in my pocket. These two Skittles.
Alright.
Alright, secure.
Alright, let me out.
Shut up!
Let me out.
Alright, look at this map. We go.
Alright.
So we're here right now, okay?
Yeah,
And then the treasure, the Skittles, they're right here.
right there. Alright. Sounds good.
So we're gonna have to move from here all the way to there.
Alright, sounds good. Sounds
Alright,
good.
let's go. Alright, so we just go straight. We're almost there. That way. Let's go. Close by now. Oh, look, there they are. We got it. We got the Skittles, finally.
I know, right? So long.
I know, yeah.
This is something like the Holocaust.
Damn it.
Where'd he come from?
Where do you guys think you're going with those Skittles?
This is something like the Holocaust. Millions of our people